friends, in this video we are going to compare Tecno Pova Neo versus Moto G62 5G in detailing. We also given details about other important competitor phone at same price segment in the end, so let's compare. Firstly we are going to talk about the highlight of the phones, then we are going in deep comparison. First we talk about the most important part of phone hardware. Here is the detail about most important part CPU. Talking about GPU then, PowerVR G8320 is available in Pova Neo and Adreno 619 is available in Moto G62 5G. Talking about chipset then, MediaTek Helio G25 is available in Pova Neo and Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 is available in Moto G62 5G. Talking about RAM then, Pova Neo have 6GB RAM options and Moto G62 5G have 2 options are available, in which 6GB 8GB RAM. Internal memory same in both phone which is 128GB. Let's see the expandable memory in Pova Neo up to 512GB and in Moto G62 5G it's up to 1TB. Operating system in Pova Neo Android V11 and in Moto G62 5G it's Android V12. Here is the complete details about battery. Let's see the information about display. Both phone have a same IPS LCD display. Display size Pova Neo have 6.8 inches and Moto G62 5G have 6.5 inches. Aspect ratio in Pova Neo it's 20.5:9 and in Moto G62 5G it's 20:9. Display resolution in Pova Neo 720x1640 and in Moto G62 5G there will be 1080x2400 we can see. Screen to body ratio, Pova Neo have 83.16% while Moto G62 5G it will be 85.31%. Refresh rate in Pova Neo it will be NA and Moto G62 5G it's 120Hz. If we talk about PPI density, then Pova Neo have 263 pixels per inch and in Moto G62 5G there will be 405 pixels per inch. Let's talk about brightness then in Pova Neo it's 480 nits and in Moto G62 5G it's 500 nits. Here is the complete detail of body of both phones. Let's see the detail about our favorite features camera. Friends, first of all talk about rear camera, then we can see 3 camera in Pova Neo which is primary camera, second camera and finally AI lens, and Moto G62 5G also have a 3 camera which is primary camera, ultra wide angle camera and finally macro camera. If we talk about video camera, then Pova Neo have 7 and Moto G62 5G have 8. Different types of features are available. Now let's talk about the front selfie camera, then in Pova Neo have single camera can be seen which have 3 different features are available. And in Moto G62 5G have also single camera can be seen which have 2 features are available. Now, we check the detail about dimensions. Talking about the length of both the phones, Pova Neo have 6.74 inch and in Moto G62 5G it's 6.37 inch which is less than Pova Neo. Width, in Pova Neo have 3.04 inch and Moto G62 5G it's 2.91 inch which are less than Pova Neo. If we talk about thickness then, Pova Neo have 0.36 inch and in Moto G62 5G it's 0.33 inch. Now let's talk about weight, then Pova Neo it's 212 grams and Moto G62 5G it has 184 grams. Let's see the secondary features of both phones. Talking about colors option, then Pova Neo have 3 colors and Moto G62 5G have 2 colors options available. Here is the detail about network, Bluetooth, GPS and Wi-Fi. Friends, now let's talk about pros and cons then. Tecno Pova Neo have 7 pros and 5 cons, and if we talk about Moto G62 5G, then we can see 7 pros and 1 cons. Finally, talking about price then. Pova Neo have only one variant, which is in 6GB RAM 128GB storage at 13,780 rupees, and if we talk about Moto G62 5G, then two variant we can see, which are 6GB RAM 128GB storage at 17,999 rupees, 8GB RAM 128GB storage at 19,999 rupees. Finally, talking about result then. In performance, Moto G62 5G it's ahead. In display, both phone are same. In main camera, Moto G62 5G it's ahead. In front, selfie camera, both phone are same. Friends, now if we talk about the other competitor at same price. First one is Moto G22 4G, second is Poco M4 Pro, third one is Nokia G21, and the last one is iQOO Z6 5G. Also, details about all this competitor phone is available in description. If you like our video, then please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.